Hello and welcome to a brand new video of Global Techniques of Architecture. Into today's video, we would like to emphasize on something called HOTO inspections. So we as a team, GTA, are rendering a service called HOTO inspection. So whenever the contractor declares that I would like to go for handover on this day or this date of this month, 15 days or say 1 month prior to it, we are available and we inspect each and every panel to panel, whether it be facade, just glazing, whether it be cladding, whether it be coping, whether it be any kind of facade element or say the wall type. So why I would like to emphasize on this is every panel needs to be inspected before handover because of two basic reasons. Number one is aesthetics, whether the aesthetics are matching to the intent, and second and the foremost thing is structural stability. So if you look at this panel, these two panels look identical, okay, but if you look at this, when I touch this is stable. This is the stable panel. The system used is semi-unitized. This is the main frame, that's the sash frame or say the subframe. But when you come back to this, you can look at this as just a push, minor push. You can see this. Do you see this? This glass. Come, my friend. Look at it from this side. This point, basically, you look at it. Do you see this? Along the length, if you look at, the glass is dancing. If you look at this is not at all acceptable. So when it comes to HOTO, panel to panel inspections are necessary and are in the favor of the project, the client, the PMC, the architect and also the contractor. So that before the DLP gets activated, nobody is being called for that there are issues onto your facade. Hence, whenever you have a project, ask for a HOTO inspections. Once again, thanks for